everyone, I'm going to be unboxing for you today the Deco Gear Universal Pop Filter Microphone windscreen with the gooseneck, and it comes with looks like a pretty sturdy clip that would attach to the base or the top of the microphone. Box is pretty decorative. It has all the pictures from the product webpage, and I bought this product from BuyDig, and it has been on sale a few times, so I was pretty eager to get it to improve my microphone. I'm gonna speak with the microphone pop filter now, and you should be able to tell the difference in a little bit. Like, Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. I don't know if that made a difference, but I'm now talking through the pop filter here. It screws on pretty easily, and I decided to put this on the base of my blue snowball microphone, which I'm using right now. So a pop filter is used for noise protection and eliminates any of the popping noises with hard P's or S's that would come from speech or singing. Here I have it clamped up, and it seems not clamped up very well, but it seems I can move the gooseneck, and it's very versatile when I move it around, and it stays in place, very sturdy. I attached it to the base plate here, but I'm sure this clamp could attach to any cylindrical or flat surface on the bottom or at the top of the microphone. The gooseneck itself is about 13 inches long, and it seems sufficient for any size microphone. Here I have it clamped up to the side cylindrical base of the microphone. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.